Okay, welcome back to our tutorial on Magento. And last time we had a quick look at the CMS options, static blocks and widgets to personalize our site a little bit. And this time we will go over how to install a new theme for Magento. There actually are two ways. I will show you what is the Magento Connect way. We will use Magento's own tools to upload it and install it. There's another one you can download independent and then move them into your cPanel, and I try to avoid that because fiddling with the folders and those might crash the site pretty bad. But you can try that as well. I'm not sure if I'll make a video on that, but we'll see. And we're here in Magento. We need to find themes. For that we will need to go to, here we have menu on Magento's homepage, and we'll go Connect. That's the extensions marketplace. You can just Google it or to go through like I did. And in here we will go Themes. And as you can see, there are some that cost more advanced, but we'll go with something free just to show how the Magento Connect works. And here you can see you can refine your search or sort the findings if you want to. Most of them work pretty similar to the installation process, but you still need to be careful, and we'll be using this classic theme. And every time you're going over this, it's good to read through the release notes and check what they're saying in here. If there might be something that the version is not compatible with the newest version or something. So you might be just wasting your time. Here we see it's last updated a couple months ago, should be good. Compatibility with 1.9, that's what we're using. And then we just install. This only has community version, which we are using, and we'll click install. For this you need to log back into Magento corporate site with the account we created when we downloaded the installation for Magento, or you can just create a new one if you don't remember. It just takes 30 seconds to fill in. And in here we will need to select our Magento Connect version. If for some reason you are using an older version of Magento, I believe if it's older than 1.5, then you use this Magento Connect 1.0. But if it's newer than 1.5, we will use this 2.0 because we're using the version 1.9.1.0, and then we need to agree to some extension license agreement, and then we get this extension key. Then we need to collect this key. And then we need to copy it. We're not going to paste it in here URL or anything, but now we will go to our Magento dashboard. Everybody remember this. And in here we will go to System and Magento Connect, and here we will go to Magento Connect Manager. I'll open this in a new tab so we don't have to save time. Yes, this is what it looks like. You will most likely need to re-log in with your admin just to make sure. When you're using Magento Connect, this manager, you'll need to be careful very, very careful. Might actually be a good idea to save some of your information or create a backup if you're that far ahead that you feel that's necessary. We won't be creating a backup for our 3 products in one category, but in here you see install new extensions. Here's the key where you need to fill in the key for the install, and then we just click install. It shouldn't take a couple of seconds. There we go. It shows us what it wants to install. Some of the themes had plenty more than this one has. They wants to plenty more packages. They might offer small extra features or something like that. We'll just it already says I was trying it out, so it says already installed, but we'll just proceed and do it still again. And then it opens up this console. It will show you everything that it does. It's really important to check what's in it, because if it gives you any errors, you really need to look through it, and if there's any errors, for example, it says Magento mobile file was corrupted during process, you might want to let's say reinstall it, or if it says that Magento classic theme which we installed was corrupted, you might want to uninstall it, because if you leave here with some of these key packages damaged or faulty, it might crash the entire site. So it's a big thing to, and once you've done that, just refresh it and see if the console goes through. We're not getting any errors, so that's good. Most of the popular ones don't really get anything. Just make sure you're using that the version you're using is compatible with this. That I think is the biggest key. And now we're pretty much done here on the Magento Connect. You can return here to the admin, or we'll just go back to our dashboard here. And now we need to apply the new theme we just downloaded, and for that we need to go to System, and in here we go to Design. Give it a sec. And now we need to create a design change, so we'll just click on that. It doesn't require too much. You can have a separate date to have it be active or something. And now we will this is, if you remember, the RWD default is the one we are using at the moment, and this F002 is the package we just uploaded. And if you go back to the link where we loaded it, it says it somewhere here. For example, F000 package. That's so that if you have plenty of different themes and features uploaded, so it'll ask. We'll just click on that, and we'll save, and that should do the job and change the theme. If we refresh our page, and as you see, we have different looking page. I think I didn't have the banner in this version. I was trying something out, and here we can see, go to products, it shows our category. We'll just click to the shoes. The images didn't upload, I think, correct, but it should be just fine. There's always slight hassle with some, for example, images might need to be re-uploaded, or I think the products might have wrong theme assigned to them at the moment. Those are things that you need to know and look for when you're installing a new theme, and we can just go back if we don't like it, or it's too much work. We'll just go back and select the RWD, and now we have it returned to normal, and everything looks like it should be. And I believe that is it. That's a good long video for today. And I'm not sure will I make a video on the other way to upload a different theme. It's fairly simple as well. You can look and try that online if you want to. And if that's the case, that concludes this tutorial. Hope you learned something. Hope you can use these and try to create and learn other stuff online. And yes, thank you for watching, and hope I helped. Thank you.